Check out this. What do you see here? Some people would say an old fence slat. I still see a tree. I'll show you what I like to do with old fence slats. I like to build birdhouses, picture frames, anything I can do to save wood.
All of the birdhouses have removable roofs so that you can get in there and clean them out, because birds will nest in there every year. So you can take the roof off. And then the back of all the houses have another unique feature, different items that he's put on there to, again, make them unique and one of a kind.